I know your time is valuable and I want to help you when it comes to buying your home. This is why I created the 5-step buying process when it comes to selling and buying your home. Step 1 is we get in a phone call and gather details about your property. Step 2 is simple. We agree on a number. Step 3, we sign the paperwork to buy your property. Step 4, we pull title and get access to the property. Step 5 is my favorite, we close. You don't believe me? That's okay. We have 5-star Google reviews to prove it. All the satisfied clients that we work with. We're also BBB accredited. As long as you are happy, we are happy. We also have YouTube testimonials explaining the process, how we bought their homes, and how satisfied they are. Furthermore, we abide by these core values in our company as a team and a real estate solutions company. And we want to help you. So pick up the phone and call us at the number below or fill out our web form. And I hope to speak to you soon. Thank you.